Hello everyone, it is Sunday. Thank you for joining me for a card tutorial. Today I am just going to be utilizing some leftover materials and stuff that I had laying around in order to just complete a simple birthday card. So while I'm showing you exactly what we'll be utilizing, which is some small banners, this is a sticker. And of course, this is from a bunch of those that I had made for cards, so birthday cards. So this would be that. I'll be utilizing a black permanent marker, um, a four by 5¼ piece for an A2 card, and a stencil. This is typically supposed to be like a water, like wavy, foamy thing, but I'm going to use it the way I would like to. So let's see what else. I will be using this picked raspberry. That's one, and it looks like I lost the other ones. And this one will be mustard seed, okay, for distress ink oxide. So at this point, I'd like to say hi to my subscribers and those of you who have dropped by to view my videos. I do appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for your support. And of course, without further ado, let me go ahead and get started. So I'm just going to do something like a crackly background because I do want, some kind of something going here. I'm also going to be utilizing some washi tape just to kind of pin this here. Let me see if I have it on the right side. Yeah, we can do that. Okay, just a little pin here and a pin there so that it doesn't move. And I'll go ahead and get coloring. Okay, just put one here for good measure because I just don't want it to be moving all over the place anyways. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with the what was it again? The picked raspberry. Okay, so with my picked raspberry, I'm just going to go ahead in here. Okay, now I'm going to gently lift this, and then I'm going to try my best to place it a little off. Again, it doesn't matter how off. I'm just going to add the other color in there. So that's that. And let's get with this one. This one, I may not put a whole lot, just a little bit in there somewhere, in between here, in between there. Yeah, maybe I think I'll just put it all over. Yeah, just a little something, something. Just kind of get it in a little. Okay, so this is it here. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take something of it could be a bottle, it could be anything, just so that I can get a portion where I want to go ahead and put those little banner thingy dingies. So I'm going to use this as a guide, just really quickly, use a pencil, and I want to make sure I just have those dots so I can make sure I am not going off kilter with that. Then I'm going to go ahead and use my glue and start getting them down. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to kind of slant it just a smidge, but still not letting it necessarily go off the page. Okay. Okay, so this is here with the banner. Okay, now since this is out, I'm going to go ahead and start adding the other stuff. Now I'm not going to be adding this to anything at this point, any card base at this point. This is just, how you can design your your piece to place on top your card base. So now I'm going to go ahead and take a black marker because I want to just kind of define this a little bit so that it can, you know, kind of be distinctive from the rest of the stuff. And then I'm going to go ahead and adhere it. Okay, that's here. And I'm sorry about this part here. Let's ignore that. And then as far as this, I'm going to go ahead and place this in the center here. And this is, like I mentioned, a sticker. Now, this is a very simple card, not very, you know, fancy smanchy, but it's very simple. So this is it here. If you would like to add any extra stuff here, it's entirely up to you, but this is it. Thank you so much, and I shall see you guys next week. Bye.